Today we are going to learn a beautiful Christmas carol on the violin, Coventry Carol. I've made it easy for beginners so that anyone can play it. I really hope you will enjoy this tutorial. Thank you so much for learning Coventry Carol with me. I really hope you've enjoyed this. Make sure to keep practicing and remember, slow and steady always wins the race. So make sure to take your time to practice everything and you will learn how to play the violin really beautifully if you keep going at it every single week. If you want me to guide you and help you every single week with new tutorials, be sure to subscribe to this channel. And that being said, I wish you a really happy holiday season and I hope to see you soon.